Hey, good evening, students. So, this is the chapter Dolphins, and today we will solve A4 and A5. Okay, after that, the question answers we will solve later on. See what it has been written. If an animal drinks its mother's milk when it is young, has hair or fur, and is warm blooded, it is a mammal. Whales, dolphins, even human beings are mammals, right? So, for A4, we will do, but before that, in our previous class we have discussed dolphins, how dolphins are helpful, isn't it? And how dolphins keep themselves, protect themselves, many things we have learned. Okay, so before solving this question answer, we will go to the chapter, right? Okay. See, dolphins. People like dolphins for thousands of years. Dolphins seem to like us too. What does a dolphin feel like? A weight rubber. Dolphins spend their whole life in water, but they are not fish. Fish can breathe in water, but dolphins breathe through a hole on top of their head. What do dolphins eat? Fish. They are good at catching them. Dolphins live in groups so that they can help each other. If a killer shark comes by, dolphins circle around it and scare it away. So by this we know that dolphins are very friendly. They help each other. Okay, and they eat fish. Okay, yes. And next one. Dolphins are usually gentle, but sometimes they get angry. When they get angry, they make a loud clapping noise with their jaws or slap a water hard with their tails. Means when they are angry, what they do? They just slap the water hard with their tails. Okay. Dolphins are often very helpful. One night, a woman fell from a boat into the ocean. No one saw her fall. She tried to swim but soon grew tired. After a while, a dolphin came near her and gently pushed her towards shallow water. The woman was saved. The dolphin had saved her. See how good the dolphin is and how helpful she is. She saw a woman drowning in the water in the ocean, and it saved her life. That means dolphins are too friendly and they are very helpful to human being also. It shows. Okay. So now we will go through the A4 A5 chapter. I hope you have all understood it. It's nothing so hard to understand. Okay, and it's very interesting chapter also. So let's do A4 A5. Match the following. See, I have already done for you. Dolphins are not fish. Yes, dolphins cannot breathe in water. Dolphins can protect themselves. Yes, dolphins can protect themselves. Dolphins scare away killer shark. Dolphins cannot speak, but they can express themselves. When angry, dolphins make loud noises with their tails or jaws. People have always liked dolphins because they are friendly, gentle, and helpful. In case of A3, you have to do true or false. Okay. Dolphins do not like human beings. False. They are water animals too. Dolphins catch fish with great difficulty. False. Dolphins like to live all alone. False. Dolphins are not always gentle. False. Dolphins can express their anger too. Okay. So today we will do A4 and A5. We will discuss also, and this will be your homework also. You will do in your copy. Okay, and later all exercises we will do in the next class. Okay, I hope you have all understood. So by this I am ending my class. If any issues, you can ask me 1,000 times. I am there to help you out. So by this note, all take care, do your assignments on time, send me on time, study hard, stay fit, stay healthy, and take care of yourself. Bye. Have a nice day. And also do take care of yourself. and do obey your teachers and parents. Bye.